I'll take care of you.
Classy.
Hey, where are you migrating to this year, huh? The breakfast nook?
Doctor of Ornithology.
Ooh, he's magnificent. I've come 6,000 miles looking for him.
Rio, Brazil. Oh, no. Heck, he doesn't even fly. Wait, no! Ah!
Well, I'm very sorry, but wait, Linda. This could be our last chance. If we don't do this, his whole species will be gone.
Quadrated my vector angles. I've adjusted for wind shear. Positive reinforcement. This is it. Let's fly. Wait! Ah!
Your turn, Blue. You don't want to get beak burned.
Ew. Get well soon.
Oh.